What is up, guys? It's the Gaming Barry on it, and today I'm going to be showing you how to unlock the secret battle star in loading screen 1, which is from the Snowfall Challenge Season 7. Find the secret battle star in loading screen 1. So what you've got to do, guys, is you've got to, so if you look at it closely, you can't see it, really. When you put it in full screen, you can see it sneaking up on that submarine over there behind Zenith and what the hell's the dog name? Oh, Remus. Remus behind Zenith and Remus, and so you've got to so it's over there. I will show you where the exact location is for this battle star. I forgot the reward, but I think it's battle stars for your thing. So hey, so I will see you in a minute. I've got the secret battle star sitting on top of that submarine over there. It took me quite a while to figure it out because I relied on YouTube and stuff, and eventually I spotted it for myself. So I watched a YouTube video. I watched Gatu, and he told me where it was, but then I tried to find it for myself, and eventually I saw it in the thing. High default. Okay, so guys, where we're landing is we're gonna land on the, oh, I hate it when I do this because sometimes I forget it. So it is on a mount there. I'm heading straight at it. It's literally right next to Polar Peak, and I'm literally crushing on it now. So on this mount, there is a submarine, which I will talk about in another challenge for this season. And you've got to climb the mountain. Oh my gosh, I have no mats. Oh shoot. Bear with me as I get mats. So guys, I got the mats, and now we're going to climb up onto that submarine to get our secret battle star from this submarine from the first loading screen. So, oh god, I have to use this last one carefully. There. So, no, oh yay. So, well, as you go on here, there's usually a chest, but as you go on here, there you will find that there will be a secret battle star there, and yeah, it will be on up here, and you should see it, and you can grab it. But since I am here, oh shit. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm going to give you guys a treat. If I can, I don't know if I 100% can, I'm going to try and find 2 and 3 on mine. I definitely know where 3 is, but I don't want to give you the wrong location for 2, if you know what I mean. So, I will show you this. Maybe this is a different kind of video I was thinking of, but because like what the word? Okay, I'll show you that in another video, because what the hell happened there. See ya. So guys, hope you enjoyed. If you did, remember to smash that like button and the subscribe button, because you know every time there'll be a Fortnite challenge, I'll be out there to help you. And yeah, so until next time, guys, goodbye.